So I got a coat of paint on the wall and hanging my clocks back up. And I told you I'm a messy painter, and I got paint all over the floor. But because my freezer had leaked, I have to redo this floor. It's fallen through. And so, because this is laminated paneling, from my experience, whenever you take it up, you can't put it back down without having all kinds of cracks in it. So when I take this floor up, this laminated paneling will be replaced, so I don't care whether I got paint on it or not. And it's just one of those things that I have to empty this room before I hire my son-in-law to fix this floor. And I have to empty this deep freeze. And I have to put all these clocks in beat. I love my clocks, but they could be a real pain in the butt sometimes. This is the regular 701 movement in this big, huge clock right there. Boxing Grapes clock. It's a one-day clock. It was working on me, but because I haven't messed with it in, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 months, it quit working. And so I'm going to have to take that one back apart to get it to work again. This was the first movement, the regular 71, 72, 701, 702 that I had experience with, and I worked on this clock to help my buddy work on his clock. Well, he got his clock going, and he actually worked on it himself. I had it going for him, but there was an issue with it, and so I told him what to do, and he got it going. My screw that goes into the black lever on the back of the movement, it had broken off on me, so I have to manually adjust that lever. And right now, when the clock goes into warning, it starts playing music a little bit, so that needs to be adjusted. And as you can see, the cuckoo door is not closing. Like I said, it's not something, with and this is why I love the count wheel movements. With the count wheel movement, you can easily fix these issues without taking the movement apart. You got the side door and the Herbert Hur clocks also. You got the side door that has access to the lever closest to the movement, which makes the cuckoo bird come in and out, and the lever further away, you adjust that lever to make the cuckoo bird go out or make the cuckoo bird go in. But with the regular movements, you have to take them apart. There's no adjustments like with the count wheel movements, and that's why I love count wheel movements. But I'm getting there. I managed a couple things today, and this was my biggest thing that I wanted to do. I should have put another coat of paint, because in this area right here, it's kind of blending. I don't know how you say it, but The old paint is blending. I should have put more paint down, but I didn't feel like it. I was done painting. Um, you know, when you have the issues that I have, you can only do so much. And so maybe one day the VA will recognize me being unemployability and give me my 100% disability. Right now I'm 90%. I've been in an appeal process since 2016. I went from 80% to 90%. Gee, thanks. Anyway, I'll get off my soap opera. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. May God bless each and every one of you. I still got more clocks to put up, but I don't feel like doing anything else.